In this video, I'll guide you through how to optimize sequences in HubSpot, a crucial skill for anyone looking to enhance their marketing and sales efforts. Using HubSpot's sequence optimization tools, you can fine-tune your approach, ensuring that your messages reach the right people at the right time, ultimately improving your engagement rates and success metrics. First, let's dive into analyzing sequence performance or analytics. This step is essential as it gives you a clear picture of what's working and what might need improvement. To start, log into your HubSpot account and navigate to the Sequences tool, which you can find under the Sales or Marketing Hub, depending on your setup. Once there, you'll see a list of all your sequences. Look for the Performance tab or section, which will provide you with a wealth of data including open rates, click rates, reply rates, and overall engagement statistics. These metrics are invaluable as they help you understand how your sequences are performing. Pay close attention to sequences with lower engagement rates. They may need more in-depth analysis and adjustment. As you review the analytics, consider the timing of your emails. Are they being sent at optimal times for your audience? If your open rates are lower than expected, you might want to test sending your emails at different times or days. Also, take note of the subject lines and content of sequences that perform well versus those that don't. Subject lines are often the first interaction recipients have with your message, so they should be compelling and relevant. Similarly, the content should be clear and offer value to the reader. If you notice that a particular sequence has a high open rate but a low click or reply rate, the issue might lie within the email content itself. It's crucial to make sure your emails are not only engaging but also include a clear call to action. Once you've thoroughly analyzed your sequences, it's time to edit them. Head back to your sequences list and select the sequence you wish to optimize. Here, you can make changes such as tweaking subject lines, adjusting the email content, or modifying the timing and frequency of your emails. Remember, small changes can sometimes make the biggest difference. For example, personalizing your emails with the recipient's name or company can increase engagement significantly. HubSpot makes it easy to personalize emails with tokens that automatically insert this information from your contact database. Additionally, consider A/B testing different versions of your emails. This allows you to experiment with various elements like subject lines or content to see which version resonates most with your audience. After you've made your edits, don't forget to save your changes. It's a good idea to monitor the performance of your updated sequences over the next few weeks to see if the changes have had the desired effect. If you notice improvement, fantastic. If not, continue to tweak and test until you achieve your desired results. This simple guide will show you how to optimize sequences in HubSpot, empowering you to make data-driven decisions that enhance your communication strategy. By consistently analyzing and editing your sequences, you'll be well on your way to achieving greater engagement and conversion rates. Happy optimizing!